Hi guys, I'm back and this is part 2 of my haul. This haul is from items from Target, Michael's, and Walmart. Okay, so let me just share with you the Charm Along. I did use a coupon, but I can't remember if these were on sale or not. I think I used a coupon, 40% coupon on this one. And I needed a unicorn charm, so it's really cute. And I can't remember how much this was. $2 something, I want to say. So that was from Michael's. I think it was $2.49. Oh no, she applied 50% coupon, so it was actually $1.34 including tax. And then these were on sale for $1, oh, what was it, 49, I think? I just thought they were the cutest things. Look, it's like a beach theme, but they're bears, and this one's holding an ice cream, this one's on a floaty, this one has a shovel and pail, and this one is building a sandcastle. I just thought it was so cute for a, you know, a fun, maybe like summer theme project. And here's another summer theme project that I could use this for. You have the coconut and the coconut trees or palm trees. You have fish and flip-flops and the sun and the sailboat. And again, this was on clearance for $1.49, I believe. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then I hadn't seen these. They call them planner tape by Recollections. And I hadn't seen these before, but they were like on the end cap. And I thought, oh, and they were 50% off. So I did get them. So I got them for $2.50. And it's so cute. They're kind of iridescent here, or holographic, the scales here. And then the mermaids, I just like the mermaids that they're all of different ethnicity. Like this one is a tanned one. And then there's a red-haired, see? And then there's a blonde one. I just thought it was super cute. So I got it for, a summer theme project. And then I had to get the unicorn one, and I'll be gifting this one. But what I liked about it is, I'm not sure if these are shaped or not. Like when you open it, it's so cute. Anyway, these are, of course, rainbows and clouds, and then you have the unicorn. Get stuff done, and look at this pretty unicorn right here. Unicorn head, and then look, it has a cupcake. It's really cute. So I got that as well. 99% unicorn. I love that. Yes, I'm 99% unicorn. That is too cute. And then from the bins where they have like, I think it's like the $2 bins, but actually this was not $2. This was $4 something. So I don't know if it just got lost in there, but I just thought it was so cute for my unicorn project. So I'm gonna do, I think it will go perfectly with this cover, and I'm hoping that it fits. I think it will. It's gonna be pretty close. But I'm thinking even maybe just using 1 or 2 of the books. Because sometimes that's what I do. I don't like it getting too thick, and I want to put like other things in there, like a shaker. And so I'm thinking I might just do 2 books. But look how cute. So you get that one. You get, here they are, this one, and then you get this one. So I might just omit this one and make a TN with these 2 maybe. Look how cute it is. So this was $4 something, and I think it was on sale, but it was $4 something because I think normally it's $6.99 or $5.99, something like that. And I don't have my receipt, do I? That one was $4.19, but regularly $6.99. For the unicorn booklets, and there's 3 in there. And then I went in there because I really want to play with some vinyl, and I needed a new Cricut mat. And this was also on sale, but I think it was only like 30 or 40% off, because this is normally $12.99 and I got it for $9 something. And there's 2 in there, so you get 2 mats. So I really needed that one, so I got that. And then that's Hobby Lobby stuff. Okay. And then I was at Target and I had to grab this. It was the only one left, and they're table scatters, and I guess they have like a wedding stuff, like wedding favors, wedding related things. This was $3, but you get 120. And they're small, so I think these are great for the embellishment boxes, right? So I got those. I thought they were super cute, and they're all white already, so I don't have to paint them. And then I saw these and I had to have them. They were only $1. And you guys know I have my board, and this is perfect because this should stand out, because my board is pink, so like dark pink. So I love it. Look how cute they are, little icons. So I got that since it was only $1. Again, this is part of that wedding section, which was kind of all over the place. It was already picked over, so I only found this one. This was also $3, but I'm not using it as a banner because I just think it's really cute. Like, you get all these pieces, and I hope they're not attached. It doesn't look like it's attached. I think I'm gonna open it. Let's take a look. I think they're separate, so, because there's this twine. Oh no, they are attached, but you can easily take it off because look, it's underneath. So they're banners, but I just love the flowers. I'm just loving these flowers. They're very Maggie Holmes like. Or the watercolor. I want to really try to do that. I have some flower stamps that I think I can work with. And I saw recently Marilyn G. She shared a project, and I think it was I can't remember if it was a card. Yes, it was a Mother's Day card, I think, that she made. Really pretty. But yeah, anyway, I love this because they're chipboard. So for $3, why not? And you get all these pieces. And I'll just take the twine off. So, and if I don't do anything with it, because sometimes I buy stuff and I don't do anything with it, then I will use it as a banner for my craft room because it's very shabby. So I have no problem doing that. Okay, so there's that. And then I did look for some more stickers. I got this magnet. I just thought it was the cutest thing. And I'll see if I can use it on my fridge. If not, it'll be given, because I got 2 of them, and it'll be like for Happy Mail. So really cute. Or remember those magnetic tags that I made? Wouldn't it be cute if I had these on there? Right? So cute. So I got that. And then I found these. Oh my gosh, it was like on the end cap, and I was so happy to find these. And I think these are like $2.99, or they're not $1, that's for sure, because it's the Spritz brand. It's their swizzle sticks, and I've seen someone haul this before, and I was like, oh, I want that. So how cute for Happy Mail. And I found the mermaid sticky note. I saw Erica haul this, and I was like, hey, I'm at Target. I was picking it up too, so that was funny. And then I found this sticker book, which has over 200 stickers. And I want to say, ooh, I shouldn't be using my sewing scissors. I want to say there's 4 pages in here. Look how cute. They're so tiny. But you can definitely use it on your planner for the summer. I just like the mermaids. I think they're so cute. And, oh, there's this one. These are a little bit bigger. And they're great for also for Happy Mail. Then you have these. Not sure about these. They're like stamps, huh? And then you have these. So for $1, hey, that's a lot of stickers. So I did get that. I also found these. Love that Girl Squad. Again, some fun stickers. Sorry guys, I keep forgetting that my setup is a little different here. And then I got these. I thought I didn't get these, but I guess I did. Here I am telling Erica, oh, I didn't find the summer one. And I did get it. They're so cute. They're confetti stickers, and they're just so cute. And then I got the puffy stickers, and look how cute they are, the little mermaids. So another fun find, and again, $1. So love that. Okay, let's see. I think I can do the Walmart one. Okay, so that's all I got from Target. And then, let me put this aside here. I was at Walmart, and I was looking for some hair ties, and I did find my hair ties. I like to use this one because it's secure hold, and especially when you go in the swimming pool, they don't slip off or anything, and they're slide proof. And I have a lot of hair, you guys, so I'm always putting my hair up, and Genevieve is always taking these, so I got her some fun colors for the summer, so maybe she'll stop taking mine. And then I found these, and I thought, oh, look how cute. How adorable are these? They're bejeweled. There's 30 barrettes in there. And initially I was thinking, oh, I can just snip off the little, you know, this backing part, and you could totally use that. I don't know, you can make, you can just use it as an embellishment, and there's different colors, and look, you get white ones. I just thought they were super cute. And so, or I'm thinking not even taking out the backing, because you can also use it for Happy Mail. Like if you had those, you know, sacks, you can just totally use it as a closure, right? I just thought it would be fun to use. So look at those fun colors. I love the blue and the pink and the purple and the white, all of them. You know, the green is but they're so cute. So I got it. Then I found this one in the crafty section. I've been forever wanting to get a bow maker because I do need help with my bows. I fuss with them a lot. So I thought maybe this would be easier. And it's the small one. I don't think I need the big one. So for now, I decided to get this one. They did have the one, the larger one, but I got the mini. And I think it was $8 something. So I hope that's a good price for it, guys. I don't know. But we'll see. And then these were only, I think, 97 cents or something like that. I got these stickers. They're so cute. Again, so I can gift it for my unicorn theme project. Super cute, right? So I got 2. Okay. But really, I went there to do grocery shopping and also to pick up this thread. And because I had bought one online, I moved things around in my craft room, and for some crazy reason, I cannot find the one I bought online. And it was a lot more expensive too. And it was a Coats, I forgot, something in Coats. Anyway, I think this was only $3 something. You get 200 yards, and it's metallic. There was 2 of them. One was like a bright gold, and then this one was just a regular gold, I guess. But I decided to just get this one. I thought the other one was a little too bright. So yay! I can finally do the project that I've been wanting to do. Because I want to sew something. So I got that. And then, you guys, oh, not yet. Then I got this because I needed another one. I go through my paper cutter like the blades like crazy. And then, you guys, You guys, I found some bead strands. Oh my gosh. I was like, they're so pretty and so whimsical. I love the little swirls, or like the marbling. And these are acrylic, but you get 2 strands. You get this, I don't know if this is acrylic. I hope it's metal. I don't know. But you also get the spacers for $3 and something cents. $3.97. It was less than $4. But you get 2 strands. I just thought that was a good deal. So I got this color, right? Fun. But really what caught my eye was this one. I was in like unicorn mode and I was like, oh my gosh, wouldn't that be cute to put in Happy Mail for like a unicorn themed Happy Mail. Look how cute they are. I mean, you can make a bracelet too out of it. It's fun, right? Looks cute. They are, I think these are acrylic as well. But you get 2 strands. Come on. So you can keep one, you hoard one, and you gift one. I just thought they were fun. But I just love the marbling. I just thought it was so whimsical. Doesn't it look whimsical? So of course I had to check out the other colors. So of course I had to get a pink one. And oh my gosh, the lady dropped one of these and I was like, eh. Thank God they weren't like glass beads. I did get 1 glass bead, okay? So I was glad she didn't drop that one. Again, these are acrylics, but they still look pretty. And you can mix it up, I think, with glass beads if you wanted. Again, you get 2 strands. Had to grab that one. Of course, I had to get this like shabby pink one because it's just too cute. This one is kind of pearl. It has kind of a pearl finish. Really cute. I love it. And you get the berry beads. Look how many you get. I really hope this is metal, the spacers. They look like metal spacers. But I thought that was a great deal. And then this one's the best deal of all. Same price. And you get 3 strands. And these are glass beads, you guys. Look how pretty they are. Right? Perfect for unicorn theme. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. See? You can gift 1 and hoard 2. Or gift 2. 2 to different people and hoard 1. Anyway, glass beads. I love them. They're so pretty. So, had to grab it. So yeah, that was my Walmart shopping. So I think that is it. I think I'm caught up with, I hope I am. Oh my goodness. I'm still doing a project, so stay tuned for that soon. I will be sharing with you guys. And thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go and see part 1, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.